2018 Ford Mustang. The Mustang is race-worthy and ready for the track. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo with CD player, power windows, trip computer, electronic stability control, compass, rear window defroster, CD player, security system, brake assist, panic alarm, overhead console, remote keyless entry, tachometer, tilt steering wheel. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.